Hey guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric. Second part to this video on kitchen can lighting and pendant lighting. So we took one of those 6-inch holes, went over to here, plugged that, drywall or do what he's got to do, mud that, keep that tight. These 3 pendants now are lit. Just had a keyless there for them to see what that'll look like. We actually had ducting right through here too, right through those 2 holes. So we drilled 2 3-inch holes, and there was actually 2 TGIs on both sides, here through here. So we're able to barely look up the side, make sure there's no Romex, look up that side, and then we drilled it from this way and we're able to pull through. Same thing on this side, check both sides of the TGI good. This was doubled up as well, so we had to go through 2. So keep that in mind when you're drilling. Boy, it loves to catch that second TGI as you've got through your first, and it pulls. So if there's anything in there, you'll probably end up hitting it. Very hard to do that with one of those bits. But there was ducting there. We drilled it and missed it. We were able to get that wire through and then came to here. Kind of lucked out here. We were able to fish down, knock a hole, and fish over. And then from here, fish over and grab it. And here fish it with a fish rod. So we were able to get everything in. Very minimal holes in this job. These were the lights that came out. Your typical T8 bulbs, or T12, excuse me. T12 has that fat round spot versus your T8s are a lot thinner in diameter, but 4 foot long. So yeah, that retrofitted out, and that's how much light we get. Keep in mind the other thing, this is an incandescent right here. You can see the lumens on one can bulb right there. It's probably only going to be around 300, maybe 250. But as soon as you hit these can lights, you can see just with one trim alone, right on that dark back spot, it's going to be about 2.5 times brighter. So it really matters what kind of trims you put in, or light bulbs. And these are going to be a 15-watt LED. Dimmable, so we're going to stick a dimmer on this side and dim these for her. But yeah, you can see what the difference it made in here. So now she's not going to have any shadows, especially when she's standing here prepping food. It's right over her head, right here cooking. Keep that in mind, over the head. We couldn't get quite centered to this cabinet like I wanted. We're off about 3 inches, but that's because of the 2 TGIs coming through there. It's about the best we could get butted up next to it. And then here, right over the fridge, I give her a lot more lighting. And it looked better with 5 than 4, so we kind of went with that. But very minimal damage. I know there's some videos I have where it looks like Swiss cheese. Here we just have literally 5 little holes to mud, and then that one where we ripped out that can. So I know some of you guys love to tell me I cut too many holes, but it all really depends on what's in the ceiling you can't see. Again, ducting, plumbing, electrical, HVAC. I mean, there's so many different things that can be in there, cold air returns. But yeah, give us a call. We do stuff like this all the time. Have a good day.